When people think of Boracay, they think of powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and unforgettable vacations. But have you ever wondered who works behind the scenes to help keep this island beautiful? On my way now to Henan Regency to attend the induction of the new set of officers of the Boracay Foundation Incorporated. Tonight, I have the privilege of attending the Investiture and Installation Ceremony of the Boracay Foundation Incorporated for the 2026 to 2028 Board of Trustees and Officers. This isn't just another formal event. This gathering brings together many of the island's business leaders, tourism stakeholders, and decision makers who work hand in hand with the government in preserving the Boracay we all love. For decades, the Boracay Foundation Incorporated has been one of the strongest voices from the private sector in protecting Boracay's environment while helping ensure that tourism remains sustainable for generations to come. Their new theme perfectly captures their mission: united in purpose, leading with impact, sustaining Boracay. It's a reminder that protecting paradise isn't the responsibility of one organization alone. It takes an entire community working together. The evening officially welcomed the newly installed Board of Trustees and Officers who will help guide the organization over the next 2 years. The induction was officiated by the Department of Tourism, Region 6 through Regional Director Crisanta Marlene Rodriguez, representing Tourism Secretary Bita Angara Mathay.
Congratulations to the new set of officers of Boracay Foundation Incorporated, and of course to the new members who have just been inducted today. I wish you all the best and more partnerships and collaborations with the Department of Tourism. We are here to support you always. Thank you and congratulations.
The ceremony also recognized outgoing leaders whose dedication helped strengthen the foundation's mission. I also had the opportunity to speak with some of the people leading Boracay into the future.
First of all, thank you for covering this event. I hope you enjoy the food and the program, but most especially for the members of the Boracay Foundation. We're so much happy with all the trust that you have given us, especially our leadership. This is my third term already as your chairman, and rest assured that I would still be pounding on a lot of issues concerning our LGU and especially the tourism in itself. I hope that I could also count on your support, of course, not just financially, but also on the issues that we need to tackle for our tourism. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate the new inductees. Welcome to BFI. BFI has been here for about 49 years, and we are very glad that we have these new members coming in. And of course, Boracay Foundation is always expanding its membership and continue to work for Boracay. Thank you.
I'd like to congratulate the newly installed officers and board of directors of Boracay Foundation. Isa na ako doon. And we're happy to inform all of you that we are now on our 29th year of Boracay Foundation, preserving what we have and restoring what we lost. Meaning, we were one of the, kami ni Nong Johnny kasi, mga pioneer, founding member and officers of Boracay Foundation. Don't count mabubok ko yung aming age. Okay, congratulations again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
President.
Thank you, Sir Joel Jos, for supporting always the BFI event project, especially pagdating sa environment. Thank you.
Congrats sa president ng BFI, my mom, Fel Tabanera. And to be honest, witnessing her na to serving BFI, sobrang saya and blessed ko kasi nakita ko talaga kung gaano niya kapalangga yung foundation, yung community, and how she is an advocate of loving and preserving our community. So, Mama, I will support you in any way I can, and I will pray na you will serve with all your heart, might, mind, and strength.
Congratulations to our PFI President, Chairman, and Board of Directors. Our Municipal Tourism Office is all about and advocates our sustainable tourism. And of course, our PFI Foundation, champions on that. So we're here in Municipal Tourism Office, handang-handa na magtrabaho po sa inyo. Congratulations everyone.
Hello, congratulations to all the new officers. Thank you for having me. Let's continue to work together and collaborate towards the same goals of better Boracay or preserving Boracay. All the best.
What many visitors don't realize is that maintaining Boracay's world-class reputation requires constant collaboration, environmental protection, responsible tourism, business sustainability, community partnerships. These don't happen overnight. They're made possible because people from different sectors continue working together toward one shared goal, keeping Boracay one of the world's best island destinations. It was truly an honor to witness this milestone and to be invited to spend the evening with many of Boracay's respected business leaders and stakeholders.
Congratulations, Boracay Foundation, for your great effort, and we're going to 30th anniversary next year, and it's been a success from the start to now. Thank you.
Congratulations to the newly installed officers of BFI. I'm so happy to see that for more than three decades that finally medyo bagong mukha ang nahalal, and the new generation of leaders that will lead Boracay. So let's continue to collaborate, your LGU and the private sector, for a better Boracay. Thank you again, and congratulations to all.
Congratulations to the newly installed officers and Board of Trustees of the Boracay Foundation. And being from the Provincial Tourism Office, I am looking forward to more collaborations, partnerships with BFI in the days to come in all the activities on tourism in promoting the island and the province of Aklan. Thank you.
Congratulations to the newly installed officers and trustees of the Boracay Foundation Incorporated. May your leadership continue to inspire collaboration, create meaningful impact, and help preserve this paradise for future generations. Joel Jos Andrade here, and this has been Boracay at the Moment.